Detroit Fire Department time is 12:29 hours. Second alarm at 20541 Southfield. Second alarm at 20541 Southfield at 8 Mile. Fire reporting an occupied apartment building. Fire scene 4 for the second alarm.
Roger, everyone on scene, please start the mystery resident.
Squad 1 en route.
57 on route.
Engine 57 en route.
Engine 42 en route.
Engine 42 en route.
Ladder 26 en route.
Ladder 26 en route.
Engine 53, we're in service, 321, we'll take that, bot.
Engine 53 in service. 321, we have you en route to the box alarm. 20541 Southfield.
Don't do something bad, you want us to respond to that box.
Engine 42, you may go on service. Engine 42. Affirmative, engine 30.
Squad 4 route.
Yeah.
Engine 30 en route. Squad 4 en route.